students, I am Sumati. I am working in GK Jain School. Today I teach the lesson for 7th standard social science. Production lesson. Production. What is production? Production is the process of combining material input and immaterial input in order to make something for consumption, that is output. Production is the process of combining material and immaterial input in order to make something for consumption, output. Types of production. We will now see the types of production. There are 3 types of production. First one is primary production. Second one is secondary production. Third one is tertiary production. What is primary production? Primary production is carried out by extractive industries like agricultural, forestry, fishing, mining and oil extraction. These industries are engaged in such activities extracting the gifts of nature from the earth surface, from beneath the earth surface and from the oceans. Second one is secondary production. This includes the production in manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and intermediate goods, conversion of flour into bread or iron ore into finished steel, such as the manufacture of cars, then furnishing clothing and chemicals, and also the engineering and building. Third one is tertiary production. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of the consumers. These services are supplied to the firms in all types of industry or indirectly or indirectly to consumers. Example, banking, insurance, transport and communication. Now, we will see the factors of production. There are 4 types of factors: land, labor, capital and organization. We will see one by one. Land. What is land? Land is a factor of production. Refers to all those natural resources or gift of nature which are provided free to man. Characteristics of land. There are 7 characteristics. Land is a free gift of nature. Land is fixed in supply. Land is imperishable. Land is a primary factor of production. Land is immovable. And then land has some original indestructible powers. Land differs in fertility. Now labor. Alfred Marshall defines labor as the use of body or mind, partly or wholly, with a view to secure an income apart from the pleasure derived from the work. Division of labor. What is division of labor? Division of labor means dividing the process of production into distinct and several components process and assigning each component in the hands of a labor or a set of laborers who are specialists in that particular process. Merits of labor, merits of division of labor and demerits of division of labor. We will see merits. It improves the efficiency of labor in when labor represents. Then demerits, repeated work. Merits, it's repeated work. Division of labor, it's to improve the efficiency of labor is repeated. Demerits, repetition of the same task make labor to feel that the work is monotonous and stale. It kills the humanity in him. Then we will move on to capital. Capital is man-made or physical goods used to produce other goods and services. In short, capital means what? Money. Then forms of capital. Physical or material resources. Example, machinery, tools, building, etc. Then money, capital or monetary resources. Example, bank deposits. Human or human resources capital. Examples, investments in education, training and health. Characteristics of capital. Many characteristics we will discuss. 1 or 2. Capital is man-made. Capital is a passive factor of production. Now, fourth factor of production is organization or entrepreneur. Organization, the entrepreneur is called organizer. Characteristics. There are 2 characteristics: making innovations, identifying profitable investable opportunities. Functions of entrepreneur. Many functions. Now we will see decision making, management control, division of income, risk taking, uncertainty bearing. Thank you, students.